Okay guys, I just wanted to do this video because you'll live, just wait, let me do this prologue. My sister and I are going to be driving a remote control car. I just wanted to record this because we do friggin' whippies and shit, and I just thought you guys might want to have a look. So I'm going to start the video, see what I can do. Okay, thanks, bye. When you're ready. Wait, just go! Not yet.
We can cut little bits out of it and then post what we want.
Yeah, okay.
No, I'll record you.
No, this is so gonna freaking fail. Oi, just try and do this air, hey. See if we can make it over the hole. The crap!
Here.
I can't see the recording because of the sun.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah, it was. That one I got. Try and get it out the wall.
Hey, that was epic.
They got some air. Crap, you're shooting prickles and shit all over me, Cass. Yeah! Lol. Lol, grey dust. I'll try and get like closer in. Can we like not go over there, like the sun's gonna be in the way otherwise?
Oh, great!
Where is it? Did it actually land? Oh!
Seriously, you're recording?
Oh yeah. I told you I was recording all of this. I can't see the screen, but oh well.
Who cares? You must be getting something.
Yeah, I'm getting certain things, yeah. Crap, I lost out of the car there.
Pushing a branch.
It was literally just stuck, eh? You one crap driver. Oh, give me a shot, hey, we'll switch.
No.
Yeah.